Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Inghi Dreams. It's me, Mr. Agustin Inghi. Now I am showing you traveling vlogs. So I wish myself happy traveling day. It is now we are traveling in the one of the most beautiful and peaceful and also a very big city of Northeast India. So guys, what is the name of this city? Do you know? And guys, I humbly request to you all, please watch my video till the end. And also guys, if you don't subscribe till then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Inghi Dreams. It is in the Guwahati city. I have already asked you previously guys, and do you know it is the gateway of Northeast India? The capital of Assam, Dispur, is located inside the Guwahati city. We have fully enjoyed in the safari. We are now going towards to the airport of Borjat, and also familiarly known as Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi airport. But we do not reaching to the airport guys. We are just first day roaming to the Guwahati city during lockdown period of the year 2021 and July month. We are feeling so excited guys for giving us this opportunity to roaming the city first time. Guys, sorry guys, we don't know the exact location of this.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh là mới đi à, bên đây kìa. Tiếng ngược.